Welcome to your online mathematics class, students. Okay, so some students are finding difficult this question number 2, so I will explain this question. Okay, we are doing surface area and volume exercise 13.6. Alright, question number 2. It says the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeters. So inner diameter is given, students. See, okay, diameter not radius, and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Then the length of pipe is 35 centimeter. Okay, find the mass. Question is not saying volume, question is saying find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Okay, now see, inner diameter is given, so radius will be half of this, so 24 by 2. Okay, so it is here 24 by 2, which is 12 centimeter. Simple, students. Outer radius r is given to us, diameter is 28, so half of diameter is radius, so 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. Okay, and height is already given, the length of the pipe. Okay, so length of the pipe will be height, which is 35 centimeter. Now see, when you have these type of question, now in general volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, volume of a cylinder, I had explained this. Okay, so volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now in these type of question, you are having radius, inner radius and outer radius. In these type of questions, you will do volume of the wood used in the pipe is pi r square minus r square. This capital R, you can see outer radius minus inner radius. Okay, and r, okay, is greater than smaller. This means the value of capital R is greater. See here, capital R is how much? 14. Okay, and small r is 12. So capital R is greater than small r. So same thing, the only difference you have to keep this in mind, students, that r square minus r square will be used. Okay, so pi r square into h. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. R 14 centimeters. So 14 square minus 12 square. Okay, what is the value of h? 35. Now see, students, here 14 square. Okay, how to solve 14 square minus 12 square? So we studied a square minus b square. Okay, let me change the thing, it will be easy for you to differentiate. We studied in 8, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, right? So 14 square minus 12 square I can write as 14 minus 12, right, into 14 plus 12, right? So 14 minus 12 is what? 2. And 14 plus 12 is what, students? 26, right? So 2 into 26 is 52. Okay, see here directly, that is why 26 into 2. Are you following? So these important things, students, are very important. It will save your time for your board exams, and for competitive exams also it will be helpful. So remember this. Okay, I'm repeating this second time. Okay, so remember all this. It will save your time in calculations and you won't make mistakes also. Okay, otherwise this is square, students. Okay, 14 square. Okay, 14 square minus 12 square. Okay, so you will save your time. Okay, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. So 14 minus 12, 2. 14 plus 12, 26. So 26 into 2 or 2 into 26, it means same. Okay, now you can solve this. 7 1s are 7 5s are 35. Multiply and solve, you will be getting 5720 centimeter cube. Now another formula you should remember, student, density. You studied in physics also maybe. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density D is equal to mass upon volume. Now question is saying find the mass. So from here, okay, from here implies mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, mass is equal to density into volume. Density into volume. So what is the volume we have calculated? 5720, right? Volume, what is the density? It is given 1 centimeter cube of wood. So mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 gram. So what will be the mass of 5720 centimeter cube of wood? So 5720 into 0.6. Why they have multiplied? That is what I am trying to explain you. Mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, or otherwise you can directly do by unitary method also. Mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 gram. So what will be the mass of 5720 centimeter cube? See here, centimeter cube, and it is equal to 0.6 grams. So 5720 in gram into 0.6 will give me 3432 gram. And this is gram, so how much will it will be in kg? 1 kg is 1000 grams. So divide by 1000, so 31230. So after 3 places of decimal, so 3.432 kg. Okay, so either you can use this formula or you can do directly. That is also correct. Mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 gram. So what will be the mass of 5720 centimeter cube of wood? It will be 0.6 into this, which is equal to 3432 gram, which is equal to 3.432 kg. This conversion you should not make mistake. It is very elementary, students. It is very easy. Okay, so in this way you can complete this. Okay, now see, I'll solve one more question for you. I hope you have followed. Any doubt, you can always get back to me. Question number 3. It says a soft drink is available in 2 packs. First, a tin can with a rectangular, you have to keep this in mind, rectangular base of length, width and having a height. Okay, and second, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter and height. Which container has greater capacity by how much? Okay, for tin can with rectangular 6 base. Okay, so length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is equal to 15 centimeters. See clearly, 15 centimeters. Now it is rectangular base, so you have to keep this in mind. Volume of the tin will be or can be L into B into H. Okay, it is rectangular, students. It is rectangular. Okay, so what will be the shape now? Cuboidal one. Okay, length into breadth into height. Okay, so L into B into H. So 300 centimeter here. Now for plastic cylinder, it is saying circular base. Okay, this means it is circular base, so this means it is cylinder. Okay, this means it is a cylinder. Okay, so volume here, volume is what here? We studied pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. Okay, so that is what we have done. Now diameter is 7, so radius will be half of this. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is this 3.5 r square, so 3.5 into 3.5 into h into 10. So solve this, we will be getting 385 centimeter cube. Now simple, this was volume. Now third part, it is asking which container has greater capacity. So you can clearly see this is 300 centimeter cube and this is 385 centimeter cube. So which has greater capacity? Obviously 385. Okay, this is 385 centimeter cube, so this will have a greater capacity. And by how much? So subtract. So 385, that is what I've written here. Difference in the capacities of the two containers. So 385 minus 300 centimeter cube, which is equal to 85 centimeter cube. Hence, the plastic cylinder with circular base has greater capacity, volume. Okay, by how much? By 85 centimeter cube. So students, you have to maintain your registers and write like this step by step clearly as I've explained you. Okay, so I hope you have followed the question, follow the concept, nothing difficult. Now you can try and solve other questions. All right, so study well and be disciplined, students.